You're cranking it all the way. Imagine you
The wheels are off the ground or no? Huh? Are the wheels off the ground?
Which wheels?
The back wheels.
Remember you have one wheel up.
See, like that's where it does when I'm at a light, and that shit's fucking annoying.
This is bouncing. Like that?
Yeah, look at it.
Cause it's still trying to
Either has a ear leak or there's a fucking because it revs up like
yeah, cause it does that in the beginning to get it to the temp. You know that. But I don't know what.
Then I was just gonna think of raising the idle. I think the idle's too low too. But I need to work. I don't know. Like I'm working between if I get fucked up there, that's why I took it all apart again, or if there's something wrong with that motor. Well, I'm out the motor with something like either too much air or the mixture's off or something. Because other than that, it sounds good.
Yeah, shit was blowing and everything.
You hear the blow-off valve and everything.
It gives you a warning when to shift up.
At first, like when it was backfiring, it looked like it was backfiring shit. But I think it's probably just build up in the exhaust.
Wow. But definitely, I just gotta figure out what the fuck's that, why it's doing this. And then I'll be set. Because I don't know what the hell.
Wait, it gives you a shift up warning?
Yeah, it tells me to shift up because at that point up there, it needs to shift up. But when I get to 4,000, it's gonna tell me.
It just keeps doing that?
Yeah.
Let off the gas, let off the gas.
What happens if you go
Yeah,
above?
see, it just goes.
What happens if you go above 4,000 and you shift up there? Nothing, right?
Shit, no, it's not gonna be
Come on. Don't be a dick. Don't
Come
be a
on,
dick.
7.
Yeah, it's done.
Hold on. I have faith in you.
You can hear the turbo trying to spoil up.
Yeah.
It's probably something in the computer, like you said, when they were ripping out mad shit.
Yeah, I don't know when they put that stupid computer system if they fuck something up, but it's not working. So I don't know. Like I have to figure out what the fuck the problem is.
What is that? The antenna?
Yep.
We don't really play every day. What anybody say, can't see him cause the money in the way, real. What's up?
Let me try this one more time.
Crank
Put
it.
that weird stuff.
Does the other one turn on?
Are you filming?
Yeah. Who knows when my brother's gonna probably bring it back?
I told you that shit was loud. Well, he's like, oh,
The dual exhaust makes it quieter, but I'm gonna have to see between your car and my car which one's louder. Because the dual helps it be quieter, but I don't know how quiet. I definitely have to put silencers on for this to work.
is it item?
No.
Because normally at once,
Jack, you should send me this and you should drive your FD around that.
normally what does it idle at?
I don't know, it's supposed to be at least at 1,000, but it's idling lower than that for some reason.
Maybe if you just raise the idle up.
Yeah, I'm gonna try raising it up and then see, like, why is it making that stupid, like, what's,
So it's probably because it's idling too low. Maybe.
Why'd you guys try to put the wheel on and drive it a little bit? See what's the problem there. What's that beep?
it's like, it tells you when to shift if you're not paying attention. But, pop the hood.